Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Miriam. I cover DIY, home decor, and lifestyle videos. In today's video, I'm going to be making a floating bookshelf. I got this idea from an IKEA hack, so I'm going to be remaking what IKEA is selling for $85. It's a floating bookshelf, and I'm going to make it my own. If you watched my previous video, then you know that I'm currently doing a makeover for my playroom, so this bookshelf is going to go great in this room. If you're interested to see how you can learn to do this yourself, or just to see how I was able to make it, then just keep watching. So here's what you're going to need for this project. This wood is 5 by 22. This is 5 by 2.5. I have 2 of these, and this is 2.5 by 22, and I have 2 of these as well. Okay. So the first thing that you're going to do is you're going to connect your 2.5 by 5 piece wood to your 5 by 22 wood cut, and you see me just pre-drilling a hole to where I'm going to attach the 2 wood together, and this is going to work as the holding piece of the side of the shelf. So you're going to repeat this step twice. To attach the wood pieces together, I'm going to be using 1.5-inch screws. Next, I grabbed my 2.5 by 22-inch wood, which is going to be the bottom shelf, and I'm going to just place it just to make sure it fits in there, and then I'm going to pre-drill 2 holes on each side of the wood just to secure it. If you have wood glue, you can use wood glue in addition to screwing the wood together, but I didn't have wood glue, so I just used my screws, and it worked out perfectly either way.
Perfect.
You're then going to flip it over and place it on its back. So this, you're actually looking at it from the front. This is how it's going to sit on the shelf, and you're going to grab your second piece of your 2.5 by 22-inch and place it right in the front. If you want, you can have the wood overlap and not have the bottom show, but I wanted the bottom to show because that kind of looked like how the IKEA shelf looked. So it's totally up to you how you want to place your wood to appear. But I am going to drill another 2 holes on each side to attach this part of the wood to the rest of the shelf. On the back of the shelf, I'm pre-drilling 2 holes because this is what I'm going to actually use to attach the shelf onto the wall. I would recommend that you do this step before you paint or stain your wood, because if you try to drill after you've painted or stained, it might chip off and your color might look discolored. So you might want to do this before you add any color or stain to your wood. I then went in with my wood filler just to cover up most of the screws that I made in the wood, especially the front part. I don't want that to show once I do put my shelf up. Once that is dry, I sanded it down with my sanding block. And I also sanded the corners of the actual shelf because I didn't want my kids to poke themselves on it if they decide to pick a book, because the wood was cut, the ends are very sharp. So this is something that you should do as well. Just sand the corners of the wood just so it's not as sharp as it originally comes. This is the stain that I'm going to be using. Stain the wood. I'm going to go over the paint. This. So there's a hole up here that I think there's a nail up here, so I'm going to use that just like as my center and to help me make sure that it is even. Okay, so my pencil cannot fit through the hole and neither can this pen, so I just took it apart and I'm gonna use it to poke through and point, you know, and indent where I need to screw in. For now, this is what I got. This is what I'm gonna have to use. So let's try this again. Take the pen apart. Use these to protect my walls. I'm not coming here. You want to make sure it's in the wall, so you're protecting your wall so it doesn't break your drywall behind this, okay? Because I don't have any studs behind here.
And now I'm just gonna screw it in.
Okay y'all, here's how my floating shelf turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this project. I think it came out cute. If you are interested to see how the playroom turns out, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. And as always, thank you so much for watching this video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Remember to always stay blessed.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new with your powder.